Hey there, this is Mrs. Dietz and welcome to English 206A. This is a summer school class that runs from June 4th to June 26th, and I'm going to be your teacher. I'm super excited to get to know you and watch you reach success throughout this summer school course. To reach success, there are a couple of things that you need to know about this class. The first thing is that it's going to require between 3 and 4 hours per day from you to be successful. You'll notice that you have between 2 and 3 lessons to complete each day. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you're logging in each day and that you're putting in enough time. To find the course schedule, you'll notice that I've gone ahead and I've placed every single lesson and assignment due here on the class plan. I've also come up with a schedule for you guys that I'm just going to leave here in the announcement section of class all throughout the month of June so that you can check out upcoming due dates and lessons. Like I said, you'll notice between 2 and 3 lessons per day that you need to complete. So make sure you guys check out this calendar here, write down due dates, put them into your own planner. That way you're organized and ready to go. In addition to that, make sure that each day you check your email and also check the announcement section of class, which is located right here, just in case there's anything big that I want to remind you of. Like I said, plan to spend between 3 and 4 hours a day working in English 206A. Because this class lasts just a month, we're basically cramming an entire semester into 1 month, which is why it's requiring you to put in between 3 and 4 hours each day. Make sure you complete the lessons all the way through so you understand what's being expected of you. And of course, email me if you have any questions. I'll be in my office from 8:30 to 12:30 every day, Monday through Friday. If you want to meet up in a one-on-one class connect to go over a test or go over a writing assignment or get additional help, please feel free to email me or call me right away and we can set that up for you. My contact information is located right here in the center of the screen on the very first announcement posted, and you'll also receive an email from me with all of that information as well. The late work policy for summer school is different than what it is during the normal school year because we are going at an accelerated pace. For summer school, all work is due on the due date indicated on this schedule, down here, as well as on the class plan. I do plan to put zeros in the day after something is due so that you have an accurate reflection of your grade. However, you do have an additional 2 days, so 2 school days to turn in missing work for full credit. After that point, you will not receive credit on that assignment. So you want to make sure that you pay really close attention to those due dates and you're putting in the time each and every day that you need to be. All work for this course must be turned in by June 29th to receive credit. So if you are turning in late work, it needs to be turned in by June 29th to receive credit. All the drop boxes close that day and I won't accept any work past that point. So please make sure that you have that in your schedule. Go ahead and jot it down or put it as a reminder into your phone, but all work needs to be turned in by June 29th. To check your grades in this course, make sure you guys check out the grades tab. Do that on a regular basis. For summer school, you must have a 70% or greater to pass the course. So aim to have a 70% or greater on all tests, quizzes, or written assignments. For all of your tests and quizzes, you have multiple attempts. So if you take a test and you fail it or you don't earn that 70%, go back and take it again until you reach 70% or better. If you take a look into the gradebook, these are all of the assignments that you're going to be completing during summer school. Right now it's empty because no one has turned anything in, but when you log in, you should see this exact same screen, and as you start to turn work in, you'll see your points and your grades jump over here on this side. Other than that, I think you guys are good to go. Like I said, please email me if you have any questions. Please plan to put in 3 to 4 hours a day. Make sure you're completing the work as assigned. And if you do want one-on-one help, just shoot me an email and we can set up a time so that we can do that. Okay, I wish you the absolute best luck in this course. I know you're going to do great, and I'm excited to see how well you do. Bye.